Hi guys. So in previous lecture we had configured the HA, correct? But after configuring HA, we were getting an error called data store heartbeat. There is a 1 and you have to make it 2. There is no error. It is not such an error. It's just we don't have the shared storage. That's why that error is coming. So to suppress that error, or that error should not look into your vCenter, we have to do one troubleshooting, or we have to add one setting to the HA level. So what we do, we just go to the cluster admin, means what is our cluster, and go to the configure, correct, in a cluster, then go to the configure, and you have to go to the edit option. After going to the edit option, it should open. Okay, then you have to go to the advanced option. In advanced option, you have to add one policy or one option. This called DAS ignores sufficient heartbeat data store. Just copy this, or you can note it down by pausing the video. Just paste and check there should not be any space, and the value should be, this is done, then the value should be true. After making the value true, just click on it. Now it is so saying reconfigure cluster. Okay, so what we do is done. So what we do first, we'll go to this setting and right click, reconfigure vSphere HA. So after reconfiguring, then again the process of election process starts, you know very well. So it will show here initialize and initialize. Yes, it is uninitialized. So we'll wait. As this process completes, the error will go automatically. So we'll wait till the initialize complete. HA unreachable is showing, is waiting. So we'll do, is not done correctly, I think. Just we again will go and we'll check what is the error, or we'll check here is done. No, so we'll again go to here, we'll go to the advanced option, we'll again add that should be value. So what is this value? So we'll just copy this value, Control C, and we'll paste it here, Control V. Okay, done. So we'll then come to the value TRUE. Everything should be small, and we'll just now then we'll come to the OK, and we'll make it OK. So I think now it is done. So is done now. Now we'll come to the summary. Now we'll click on the host. After this, we'll click on the host and we'll right click on the host. And we have to reconfigure your vSphere HA. So for this, you have to, the error didn't came, so means it's done. Stuck. We'll wait. Yes, now it came. So I'll do the right click. Yes, and we'll click on reconfigure vSphere HA. So after reconfiguring, you just right click on reconfigure. So as the reconfiguration starts, Okay, then reconfiguration has been started. So as the reconfiguration done, initialization process complete, then we will get an error will get disclosed. It won't appear. So we'll wait till all the hosts come into the picture. Yes, you can see 2 has been for the 2 the error gone. It is uninitialized only. As it gets initialized, it automatically get suppressed. So it is getting initialized. We have to just wait one. Yes, now it is done. So if we'll refresh one, so if I'll refresh my vCenter, we'll wait till it gets solved. Yes. So now when the page comes, there will not be any error or there will not be any yellow mark on my ESXi. So after the reconfiguration, you have to just refresh your browser, otherwise log out, vCenter and log in. It's up to you. So I have refreshed my browser. Just after refreshing, when the page will come, there would not be any error called heartbeat. So the page came, wait for the cluster and the ESXi. Yes, came. You can see error gone. So it's my, I can see that there is no error. See, there is no error. Error gone. So like this, you can suppress that error. Only the reason of coming that error is what you don't have the shared storage. As soon as you have the shared storage, that error will not come. So now everything is fine. I suppress that error also. So you can see nothing is a problem with this. We'll just check, and thanks for this video. So please be tuned and